Hello my beloved students, in this video I'm going to be teaching you the basics of concentration. Okay, you must understand concentration before you can understand solutions. Solutions is a very critical part of chemistry, talking about titrations and so on. Now, to understand concentration, first of all you need to understand that concentration can be defined. Let's look at the definition first. What is concentration? So concentration can be defined as the amount of solutes in 1 dm cube of a solution. Okay, so the amount there has to do with the number of moles of solutes, while the dm cube there has to do with the volume of the solution. Now, to make a solution, you must have solute plus solvent. When the solute and solvent comes together, you get what is called a solution. So the amount of this solute which is dissolved in the solvent is what is called the concentration. So take for example, you have two containers like this. This is container A, and this is container B. And this container A contains 4 cubes of sugar, while this container B contains 1 cube of sugar. Now, so you have a cube of sugar here, or you have 4 cubes here like this. Then you add water to dissolve these cubes of sugar. You also add water here to dissolve the cubes of sugar. Now, which of these two solutions do you think will be more sugary? Okay, the answer will be container A, obviously, because container A has more concentrations of the solute. It has more cubes of sugar dissolved in the water, while the one from container B has only 1 cube of sugar. Container A has more cubes of sugar dissolved in the solution, so it's going to be more sugary, while container B will be less sugary because it has just 1 cube of sugar dissolved in the solution. Now let's go to the formula of concentration. Concentration can be given by the number of moles of the solutes, divided by the volume of the solution involved. So basically we are saying that concentration is equals to number of moles divided by volume. Okay, and the unit for moles is mole, that's the amount of substance, while the unit of volume is dm cube. So the unit of concentration is mole per dm cube. So this is what is called the molar concentration. Keep that in mind. We also have another way of writing the concentration of a solution. It is called the mass concentration. So that mass concentration is given by mass concentration. So we're talking about the mass of the substance, the mass of the solute, divided by the volume of the solution. So this one we have a different unit because the mass is measured in grams, while the volume is measured in dm cube. So the unit of mass concentration is grams per dm cube. Okay, so for a better definition, the concentration or the molarity of a solution is the amount of solute dissolved in 1 dm cube of a solution, while the mass concentration is the mass of the solute. You can see the change now. Is the mass of the solute dissolved in 1 dm cube of solution. So there's a relationship between C, which is the molar concentration, and the mass concentration, which is given by this symbol here. This symbol here is the symbol for mass concentration. So two of them are related by a formula. So the formula is like this. The concentration in mole per dm cube is equals to the concentration in gram per dm cube divided by m. M there is the molar mass. This one is in gram per dm cube. So if you divide the concentration in gram per dm cube by what is called the molar mass, you're going to get what is called the molarity, or the concentration in mole per dm cube. So to make it simpler, you can write C equals to rho over m. Rho is the concentration in gram per dm cube, while m is the molar mass. So this is the formula that joins the concentration in mole per dm cube to the concentration in gram per dm cube. So let's take a question. 4 grams of NaOH is dissolved in water until the whole solution makes up to the 250 cm cube mark of a volumetric flask. You have to calculate the molarity of the solution. So when you say calculate the molarity, that means you are looking for the concentration, and your final answer should be in mole per dm cube. So you know that concentration is equals to the number of moles, that is N, divided by the volume. But the volume must be in dm cube. But what they gave to us is 250 cm cube. So you're going to divide that by 1000. So to convert cm cube, to convert your cm cube to dm cube, you just divide by 1000. So you have 250 divided by 1000. So that will give you 0.25. Okay, that will give you 0.25. This one will be in dm cube now. Okay, so we have gotten our volume. So the next thing is to find N. Now what is N? N is the amount of substance. And what is the formula for amount of substance? That is mass over molar mass. So the molar mass is given. You can see the molar mass is 40. They give us the molar mass. The molar mass is 40. So just put it there. The mass in the question is 4 grams, as you can see. So just do 4 divided by 40. That will give you 0.1. So C will be equals to 0.1 divided by 0.25. 100 divided by 25, which is 4. So the concentration is 4 mole per dm cube. Okay, so I hope you understand. I know you have gained something from watching this video. Click the thumbs up button and share the video with your friends. Don't forget to click the follow button so we can meet again. Thank you for watching. Peace.